Let's try Jamaican food. I forgot the name of the place, but I think it was Jamaican cuisine. Whoa. Jamaican food. Look, I have jerk chicken, plantains, rice and beans, and then I'm not sure what this is, but it has like, I think it's cabbage and peas and carrots. Let's try the chicken. That is so soft. That's literally so soft. It came off the bone so much. Look. Let's try it. This is so good. The rice. The rice with the chicken. So good. Let's try the plantain. This is so good. I wish I could have gotten something else too, but they gave me a lot. Let's try everything together. Have chicken, plantain, some of this, rice. This looks so juicy and it's so soft. I'm so sad because this is from a farmer's market, so I'm never gonna see it again. Look, there's literally no meat on the bone. I would literally lick the bone if I wasn't recording. This was $16, and for $16, that's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat for $16.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel once again. This is Granton Reaction, and if you are coming first to my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also to comment. So guys, I want us to watch this video of why many people are falling in love with Jamaican food and are eager to taste that Jamaican food. So guys, let us watch this video till the end, then I'll be coming back with more and more comments.
Tonight I'm trying Jamaican saltfish and ground provisions for the first time. Boiled banana, there's the boiled dumpling, and there's like boiled yams as well. So that, and then this salted fish, I don't know what kind of fish it is, but it smells freaking good. Look at this big chunky piece. I'm just gonna get started. Oh, oops. All right. That's tasty. It's pretty oily. I noticed there's a lot of oil. Yeah, it's good. Here's this dumpling. When I have these dumplings, I just notice that it just soaks in all the flavor of whatever sauce or broth or stew it's in. This fish has a fishy taste. I don't mind fishy taste at all. I think it tastes good. I like tasting the sea, to be honest. It's not as salty as I thought it would be. I more so taste like the pepper aspect of the seasoning. Still just a fantastic dish. Got the boiled banana right here. I haven't been able to find any rundown in LA, so hopefully at one point I can, so I can try it and make a video for you guys. I'm also looking for those pig trotters and bean stew. That sounded really good as well. I know Manishwater's around. On certain days, there's a lot of Jamaican food I need to try. And like I said in previous videos, I'm trying to get into the elite ball knowledge of Jamaican cuisine. I'm done with the jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, ackee and saltfish even. That stuff is all very, very delicious, but you know, I just want to learn more about Jamaican cuisine. So comment down below if you have any recommendations, especially within the LA area, and I'll go try them.
This is my first time ever trying Jamaican food, and this is from Jamaican Home Style and Grill. I don't even know where to begin. I feel like the beef patty is calling my name. Look how fresh this looks. Split it in half so y'all can see in the middle. Oh my gosh. Cheers. Wow. This outside, this crust is one of my favorite kind of breadings. It's so light and flaky. The meat is seasoned to perfection, and it's really not spicy. It has like this slightest kick, but I feel like this is still kid-friendly spice. Before getting into their jerk chicken, this is the cabbage medley, and I don't really eat cabbage often, but I like it, so cheers. It's so fresh, so flavorful for just being cabbage. I like how they slice it and have it in like, I don't know what you would call this, just like little noodle style. On to the mac and cheese. Now, I am a picky girl with my mac and cheese. I'm not really impressed with a lot of mac and cheeses just because I feel like they either don't taste like anything or I don't know. So we'll see what this one's hitting on. Ooh. When it's a good mac and cheese with good quality cheese, you don't need all that seasoning on top. So simple, but it's definitely one of my top mac and cheeses for sure. Okay, what we've all been waiting for, this jerk chicken. Look at this, it's still hot. I don't know if y'all can see the steam coming off of it, and there's some rice at the bottom. Cheers. It's so tender. Jerk chicken is one of my favorite like flavors you can get for chicken. It's hard this perfectly. And the spice, I would say, for the jerk chicken is a little bit more amped up than the beef patty. I don't know if I would consider that kid friendly depending on how sensitive you are, but to me, I can still handle it. Okay, and let's get into this rice. This is just white rice, but like, you know, there's that jerk chicken, I feel like leftover on top of it. I have no complaints. My boyfriend, I'm gonna flash his oxtail plate to show y'all, and I did try a small bite of that. I've never had oxtail. Very tender, so meaty. It's crazy how much they pack on this plate. Like, I really just don't think y'all see the heftiness of this. I absolutely would eat this again, and they had so many other things on their menu. Like, I can't wait to try it. Jamaican food, I don't know if it's in the category of soul food, but it definitely should be. I know they have a couple more Jamaican places I need to try here in Louisiana, so if you have any recommendations, put it down below because I am so down to give them like a whirl. If you do end up trying Jamaican home style and grill, let them know you came from my video because I know they would appreciate it. And yeah, I have some really good content coming out that I'm super excited to share with y'all. We're gonna close this year out with so many exciting things, and we're gonna make new connections. It's just gonna be a great end of the year. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.
I just moved to New York from Texas, and I was on live asking what are just the New York staples that you gotta try? What's food you just gotta eat if you wanna move here, live here? Number one was bacon, egg, and cheese, chopped cheese, obviously. But crazy enough, the rest of the comments were just beef patty, cocoa bread, jerk chicken, oxtail, beef patty, cocoa bread. Basically just Caribbean food. And luckily for me, I live in a very Caribbean neighborhood. I'm surrounded by Caribbeans and Caribbean restaurants. They done damn near turned me Caribbean. Why you there, pan? Me love a young fluffy gal, maga gal. Me want bust a lime later. Anyway, it wasn't hard for me to find Caribbean food. I got the beef patty, chicken patty, cocoa bread. Let's try it, rated 1 through 10. Cocoa bread. I think this is the beef patty. Definitely the chicken patty for sure. Before I eat, support your local businesses. Stop going to Starbucks and Popeyes. Support the family-owned restaurants. Support Poppy and Ock on the corner. Boom. It's is the chicken joint. The cocoa bread is good. I just feel like I'm eating it wrong. Like, I feel like you're not supposed to just eat a whole slab of bread. Like, combine it with the patty, maybe. Boom, boom. Oh, I completely forgot. I cashed out. I got an oxtail plate, too. I'm gonna save most of this for later, but I do want to try the oxtail real quick. The patties and the cocoa bread, my first time. Oxtail plate, I already know how Jamaicans get down with the oxtail. Panda. And they loaded me up too. I didn't forget the bev this time. Boom. I give everything between like an 8.8 and a 9.5. Everything falls within that range. It was good food. I literally eat the same things every day. I make grilled chicken and broccoli. So I'm gonna start forcing myself to like try things for the first time. So many cultures in New York, you know what I'm saying? Dominican food, Indian, Middle Eastern food, Haitian food, Senegalese food. You gotta go outside if you're gonna come to New York. Get in these boroughs, get in these communities, you know what I'm saying? Put some money in these people's pocket, soak in the culture, eat some authentic food. Beef patty was definitely my favorite for sure. And the drink went crazy too.
I'm at Juicy Patty in Jamaica, trying chicken patty with coconut bread and pea soup or some shit. What the fuck is that? Mold. Bruh. Moldy, no. Honestly, eat around it though. We got the coconut bread and apparently we put the patty inside, I guess. There we go.
Oh, I can't deal with that.
A lot of bread. It's way better warm and with the coconut bread. Y'all were right. A red pea soup. There's meat inside of there. And it's a little tiny bit spicy. I love how the food in Jamaica is a little bit spicy. What the fuck are you doing? Like a dumpling. There is a bone inside the soup. Is this normal? I'm gonna stick to my non-moldy soup.
This is so good.
Yo, Jamaican food spicy, bro. I'm like getting my ass kicked over here. I swear to God.
I'm just enjoying myself, having a good old time.
No, this is really spicy, actually.
This is so good, bro. It's full of spices, full of herbs. And I believe, like, traditionally, I could be wrong, but like it's like smoked, you know, like barbecue style, you know?
Yeah,
that's why you get like that color. ASMR. Oh, muy bien.
That sounded good.
I am in heaven right now. I forgot we were filming for a second. I gotta control myself.
I don't know why they call it jerk chicken, because this chicken is nice.
You can say that again.
I don't know why they call it jerk chicken, because this chicken is nice.
Amen.
All right, let's go for the festival now. I feel like I taste banana in it.
It's on the sweeter side for sure. I don't taste banana, but it's sweet.
I don't think it tastes like cornbread, though.
You know what this tastes like to me? Like a mixture of funnel cake with like the corn dog breading.
That's oddly specific.
I have a very accurate taste buds.
I don't see it, but it is good.
Big ol' nice plantain. Come on now.
Yo, that's bomb, bro.
Come on now.
That's bomb.
If every banana tasted like this, kids would eat bananas.
Well, kids already eat a lot of bananas, dude. Okay, that's probably my favorite thing on this plate, honestly. Does this count as a dessert, or is this like a actual dish?
Yes. Like, wow, this is... What more do you want?
I'm upset I spent my whole life not trying Jamaican food.
I give the jerk chicken S tier. S. SSS.
Oxtail, rice, and peas.
Jerk chicken's here. Oxtail's like right here, dude.
It's above it?
Depends who's making it, but I'm just saying this smells delicious. Oh my God.
Oh, that's really good, bro. It has like a little sweetness to it. Not spicy at all, which I personally like because I'm not a huge spice fan. Meat's super tender. Seasoning is perfect.
Insane.
That's freaking good, bro.
I don't know what it is about the meat, but like it rearranges my brain to just love.
That definitely makes you feel some type of way.
This is the king of S's. This is the only tail I'm chasing, bruh.
Next up, we have sorrel.
Sorrel. It looks like agua de Jamaica.
It is a hibiscus drink. According to Google, they use this to mix with alcohol as well.
Is this one?
No, this one does not have alcohol, unfortunately. I'm sorry.
Bruh. Agua de Jamaica literally translates to water from Jamaica. So, Jamaica water, here we go.
Oh, that's refreshing. That's very refreshing.
This has ginger. That's the difference. Whoa.
That's like not too sweet at all.
I think the ginger cuts the sweetness a little bit.
It's like a hint of ginger though. Like the ginger's not very overpowering at all.
Wow, dude. Mexicans and Jamaicans is just like this. Mom, if you're watching this video, make your Jamaica with ginger. Make it like this.
This on a hot summer day, guaranteed to smack.
Now, Jamaicans, y'all be cooking, man.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here?
I don't care. Don't tell me.
As a Jamaican, I can tell you 100% that Jamaican food is good.
Yo. Jamaicans, I love you dearly. But I think there's something wrong with you. I genuinely believe that there's something wrong with you. There's something wrong with you guys, and here's why. Why is the night food so busted? Why is it cooked so well? Like, you want the dead person to try the food again?
Spicy. That one
Got up. Nah, word of my mouth. Nah, no funny shit.
Smells so good, dude. I got him to put the jerk. I got the pork, dude. This is Hallelujah. It's like collard greens, but like Jamaican style, dude. I got the rice. I got the oxtail gravy thrown on here, dude. I'm about to try it. Here we go, dude. It's nothing like soul food, like collard greens. God, but it's good though, dude. It's good. Oh, that's delicious, dude. It's like savory the same way, but it's different. I got the jerk pork. I'm gonna see what that's talking about. Oh, whoa. That jerk sauce is good. Dude, that is fire. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Gotta get the fatty part, too, dude. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, dude, shut up. That's bomb. The oxtail gravy. God, dude, it's like, I don't even know how to explain what this tastes like. It's savory and juicy and just good.
That's what I was saying. I was saying the same thing.
Order for Twine.
Oh,
Here?
yeah. What's
Jamaican
this?
food?
Shit, that's your food? What's this, bro?
Jamaican food.
Jamaican food?
Yes,
Oh.
Jamaican food.
But I'm American. He trying to make me try Jamaican food.
Huh?
Yo,
This too. Jamaican drink.
Bro, what's this for?
Jamaican drink.
I should just try it? Yes, bro. It's the first time for everything. Alright, bet. Let's see. So, bro, you mean to tell me I should try this first?
Yes, bro.
So you mean to tell me it's busted for real?
Yes.
Alright, bet. Don't let me down, bro. What should I try first? It don't matter?
It don't matter, bro. Just dig in, bro.
Let me try this real quick.
What you got going on? Yo, what you looking at me like that for, bro? Oh, you fucked that shit up. Oh. What's the verdict?
Bowling cloud, this shit busting. What do you mean? I've been missing out on this?
Yo, yes, bro. You've been missing out on that, bro. Yes.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's probably top 5 thing I ever had in my life, bro. Hope my mama ain't watching it. It's almost gone, man. Them niggas close at 9 o'clock. It's 7:58. I might go back. Y'all, I went my whole life without trying Jamaican food, bro. My whole life, bro.
It's nice.
My whole life, bro.
God, give me the strength. Just have one bite. Today we're trying Jamaican food. I decided to try this place called Tev's Kitchen, and I met Tev, the actual owner of all of this. He took me to the kitchen. I saw how everything was made. His staff was incredible, so sweet. And you guys, I just said I need one of everything. The only thing I didn't get was the oxtail, which I'm so sad about. It is what it is. We're gonna start with the house famous sweet chili wings. We got mashed potato, mac and cheese, and broccoli. Off the rip, let's just talk about how beautifully glazed these look. Damn, one bite. I just know my trainer's watching this. They give you a Kool-Aid with it. I legit haven't had Kool-Aid, I think, since I was a kid, but something about this feels like I'm gonna need some Kool-Aid. Wait, girl. What in the hell was that?
What the hell?
Some good ass mac and cheese. Y'all know it's crazy when a broccoli hits. Garlic, butter, mashed potatoes. You know what those taste like? Cheesecake Factory mashed potatoes. And to me, the Cheesecake Factory mashed potatoes are elite. Do not come for me. Next up, curry chicken. I'm Jamaican. Garlic Parmesan chicken tenders. Oh my sweet baby Jesus. Never in my life has a chicken tender been this flavorful. Hot lemon pepper. Oh my God, this is like the perfect level of like spicy with a little lemony, the hot ones. I got my upper lip sweating, but it's so good. I can't remember what this one is. I think it's jerk. If I didn't have to be in a thong bikini for my bachelorette party, I would actually eat every single one of these. This is the jerk salmon. Everybody said I had to get it with this garlic butter, which like, yeah, I had to. I'm gonna grab the salmon with a little bit of the rice at the bottom. This is insane. This is the best Jamaican food I have had in LA. Comment what food I should try next. Tev, step up to the front. Wow.
Are you shy?
Yeah, anyway.
Okay. So
All right,
welcome
let
to
me-
Eva's Kitchen.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let me see.
And you said it's your first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how did you hear about us?
I don't know. I just went on the maps and I was like, okay, let me see this place.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let me try.
And you went for the snapper.
Yeah, I love fish, so
Okay.
it's not a lot of places that can cook fish, because I can cook.
You can cook? What can you cook?
Amazing. Anyway, wait a minute. It's hot.
So what would
I'm
you
from
rate?
Russia, so
Yeah.
I can cook.
Okay. So what would you rate the food?
9.5.
9.5?
10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where's the cornbread?
Your cornbread is coming. It's coming.
All
So
right.
what can you cook though?
I mean, I can cook anything.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. You from Jacksonville?
No.
Where you from?
Well, I'm from Russia, but I moved to America 5
Russian.
years ago.
Okay. Okay. So.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So you like America so far?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, and
You're
I know I
welcome.
will see you again.
Oh, for
Again.
sure.
All right.
I'm about to be regular.
Okay, you're about to be a regular.
In this place, yep.
All right. Thank you so much. All right.
Jamaicans, is this valid? Here is my top 10 list of Jamaican foods I have tried when visiting Jamaica. In 10th place, we've got the best side dish possible. It is blammy. Now, blammy is like a flatbread, but it can be fried, it can be cooked in various different ways, and it will accompany anything you have on your plate pretty well, especially if it's got some sauces, it's got some spice. This will calm your mouth down, and it is nice tasting too. 9 is escovitch fish. Now, if I'm saying any of these wrong, please correct me. Escovitch fish is incredible. It's basically small, tiny bits of fried fish with pickled carrots. It also has spices and vinegar on top of it. It is incredible and so flavoursome. 8 is brown stewed chicken, and this one isn't actually that dissimilar to a Sunday roast in the UK, the way that you actually cook the chicken. It's basically extremely seasoned chicken, which is the big difference, in thick gravy being cooked. It's sweet, savoury and comforting, and this is actually a great Christmas food. 7 is patties, the ultimate Jamaican quick meal. I absolutely love patties as a little quick snack. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to eat loads of patties in one go, but patties, when they have seasoned beef in them with a little bit of spice, are absolutely incredible. I usually have that with a Monster Energy. I know it's a bit of a weird mix, but it is nice. 6 is festival, which is like a sweet fried dumpling, and it has so much flavor. You can dip it in sauces, you can dip it in various different things, but you can also pair this with fish, beef, and various different animals. It's very, very good. 5 is rice and peas with coconut milk, kidney beans, and thyme. That is the only real way to do it. And lots of people sell rice and peas all around the world, but it's not done properly like it is in Jamaica. 4 is curry goat. Now, curry goat is amazing, but if you can't handle the spice, do not have it, because this specific curry is cooked with Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, if you know anything about Scotch bonnet pepper, if you have a weak tolerance to spice, you do not go anywhere near it. Nonetheless, if you do like the spice, this is definitely a top dish. 3 is ackee and saltfish. This is quite an interesting one, and it is actually the national dish of Jamaica. The ackee is creamy, it's fluffy, it's nice. The saltfish obviously has that salty flavour, but you also got the spice, which is also using a Scotch bonnet. Love it. 2 is oxtail. This was actually the first dish I tried in Jamaica that was authentically Jamaican, and this was honestly out of this world. It's probably in my top 5 meals I've ever had, even though there's one left on this list. And the way that the meat just falls off the bone, especially when you have rice to complement it, it is just absolutely amazing. Oxtail is so underrated. And number 1, the mix of smoky, spicy, and sweet. It is sold all around the world, and it is known as the most famous Jamaican cuisine, jerk chicken. It is as good as they say, it is as spicy as they say, but it is as flavoursome as they say. One of the best dishes you can have, and again, you need to have it in Jamaica, not elsewhere. Caribbean food is amongst the best in the world, and those are my top 10 favourite Jamaican dishes that I highly recommend any tourists try who are visiting Jamaica.
Hope you've really watched the video till the end, and you've seen that many people are falling in love, and they're eager to taste and that Jamaican food. Jamaica being the most loved country all over the world, the most successful country all over the world. It's not only the best in athletes, but also it has a very rich and unique culture. Their food is very tasty, starting from the celebrities coming down there to some other people. Many people have tasted it. Jamaican food is being loved by many people all over the world. This makes them become famous and being loved by many people. We've seen Jamaica being the most successful country in terms of athletes. It have the best culture, which is being copied by many people all over the world. Look at the patois language. Many people are falling in love with the patois language. Many are eager to study and learn the patois language. The Jamaican influence is entering into many people across all over the world. Their culture is hitting many. So Jamaica is the most loved country with the best and quality items. When you look in terms of tourists, they have the best tourist center. They have the best leadership, like the Mia Motley, the lady who is courageous. So they have quality items to produce. They stand for their own. Jamaica is a unique country in the island, having unique features whereby no country can come and compete with them. Many people have tasted the food. For example, the jerky chicken. This food is being loved by many people all over the world. So many are eager to ask and to get a lot of ideas on how they usually cook the food and the skills, so that some people can start cooking for their own. Many people are eager to know the procedures, to be followed for that particular food to be cooked very well. Many people are eager to know the ingredients, because their food is being tested all over the world. Many people are falling in love. Even some people travel from their countries towards the Jamaica only to go and have a lot of experience on that particular food, because it's so tasty. It's so good. Many people are falling in love with it. So many people, some people are urging for the secret, because there's no way you can cook that particular food for your own, but many people are urging for the procedures. The food is so tasty, so many people are urging for for the ingredients and the procedures to it. Also, when it comes in terms of athletes, in terms of music industry, Jamaica has the best music industry compared to many other countries all over the world. Their culture is so good. First of all, they have the great musicians, like the Conscience, the Shensia, who hits all over the world. So these people are very unique. The songs which sung by Bob Marley, which are so encouraging. So these people have got quality items to produce. Their music industry is so wonderful. It is working very, very good. It's urging many artists all over the world to visit them, so as to be given the skills and qualities on how to sing and apply in their songs to hit like them. So these people have got they are very, very talented. Look at their sporting activities. And when you look at their sporting activities, they have the best sprinters all over the world. Nobody can compete with them when it comes to the sprinting area. They set the records which are unbreakable. Look at the Usain Bolt, who set the record of the fastest man to run with the fewest seconds, and setting a record of 50 years, being the champions, which is not easy to be made by many people. So these people have got qualities. They are great. These people are great, and no one can compete with them. So they have the best food all over the world. Many, even the great people, usually travel there to go and test their meals, because they hear of the Jamaican food, jerky chicken, which is being loved by many people all over the world. So many are eager to go and taste the food and know much about it. Even I hope one day that I might travel to Jamaica and test the food, so that I can have that experience which other people are having it. So if you're watching, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember also to like and also to share. Bye for now. See you in the next video.